In the magical world of online businesses, there's one spell that never fails to work its charm: the power of social proof. Picture this: you're on the hunt for the perfect online business opportunity. Two options present themselves, yet you're torn. One boasts a plethora of glowing reviews, while the other stands barren. Which one would your instinct guide you towards? Naturally, the one with rave reviews. This is the enchanting allure of social proof. So, what is social proof? It's the phenomenon where we rely on the actions and opinions of others to shape our decisions. If you've ever found yourself drawn to a bustling ice cream shop with a line snaking around the corner, that's social proof in action. Now, how does this magic potion of social proof benefit online businesses? Let's delve into the world of customer reviews first. The more positive reviews an online course on YouTube has, the more likely you are to trust it. The idea is simple. If others had a good experience, chances are you will too. Then there are likes and shares on social media. Seeing a product post garnering a lot of engagement piques your curiosity. You might find yourself thinking, if so many people are raving about it, surely I will too. Influencers and celebrities, on the other hand, weave their own unique magic. When your favorite YouTuber or a celebrity shares their success story, it's hard not to think, if they can do it, so can I. But remember, while social proof is powerful, it's not foolproof. What worked for them might not work for you, given the ever-evolving algorithms and conditions. Online businesses have mastered the art of harnessing social proof. They parade reviews and star ratings to instill confidence in potential buyers. They leverage social media, encouraging customers to share their experiences. They even partner with influencers, banking on their popularity to promote their products. Some even display the number of people viewing a product or how many have been sold recently, creating a sense of urgency. But remember, social proof is a double-edged sword. While it can lead you to the perfect solution for your problem, it might also lead you astray. So the next time you're shopping online, pay close attention to social proof. Ask yourself, have they oversold the product, or do their claims seem reasonable or inflated?